Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is about the discovery section here on FamilySearch. To be more specific, the record my story section here in the discovery section of FamilySearch. If you want to learn more about any of these other sections, I have done videos on them and they will be linked in the description box below. So go check those videos out. So first things first, how to get to the discovery section here on FamilySearch. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to type in familysearch.org, and then after that type /discovery. And once you've typed that in, you hit enter and it should bring up the discovery section here on FamilySearch. You will actually have to log into FamilySearch for this to work for the most part. I know if you're not logged in, it will pull up a few sections, but if you click on them, then it'll be like, hey, for this to fully work, please sign in. So make sure you sign in to get the full experience for any of these sections. Otherwise, just really won't work as well. So once you come here to this discovery section and you click on the section you want to explore. In this case, we will do the record my story, and it will take you to that section here on FamilySearch. So let's click on record my story. So this is what the record my story looks like here on FamilySearch. So it says everyone has a story. What is yours? And then it has two different sections. New story or my stories. We're going to go through the new stories first and then the my stories. So down here below, they're giving you kind of like 3 different sections to get ideas from of what you want to record. But if you already have an idea of what you want to record, just click right here to start recording. So let's click right here and explore that first. And I'm going to block that because I don't want to allow that. Yeah. And then when you're done telling your story, you'll just click done, and then you can play back and hear your story. I didn't record one because, well, I'm recording a video instead. And then you can click save or cancel and redo your story if you don't like the way it sounds or the way you said things. So let's close out of that. And I guess let's go through the 3 different sections to get ideas from. So stories about you. Let's see the 6 different questions or categories to do stories about you. So let's go start. So our 6 categories are goals and accomplish, heart and soul, fun and entertainment, ponder and reflection, spiritual, general questions, or create your own. So here are the 7 different sections. So if you choose one and you decide you want to do like fun and entertainment, you click on that. And then it will pull up this new section and it will give you some questions. And you can answer as many as these that you want or not as many as you want. So it's kind of cool to have these questions listed out for you to have ideas of what to write a story about or tell a story about. Then if you want to choose a new one, you can go back and be like, I want to do goals and accomplishments. And you can now view the goal and accomplishment questions. Or if you want to go to the next category, you just hit the next category button and it will go to the next one, heart and soul. So you have kind of 2 different ways to change categories. You can go to the next category or you can hit the back button and view all the categories. Okay, we're going to go back one more time. Then we can view the family story section. So let's click start. And instead of having 6 other different categories, it's only going to have these questions. So it's kind of sad that it doesn't have more in-depth categories. It only has 1 category. But it does have some nice questions. So you can once again view these questions and figure out which ones you want to answer or what ones you don't, and answer those questions. Let's go back and let's view the last one, record with friends. Oh, that would be so cool. Start. And once again, just like the family one, it doesn't have different sections to go to. It only just has these 5 questions. So kind of sad that you can only answer like 5 questions with your friends, but whatever. So yeah, go back. So now that we've explored these 3 categories down below in the new story section, let's go to the My Story part. So if you go to My Stories, it will actually have a list of all the stories that you have recorded. So if you actually just want to answer 1 question at a time, you can totally do that and answer 1 question at a time and record 1 question and then have them all stored here in the My Stories. That way you know what ones you've recorded and what ones you haven't recorded. And then you can go back and play each one of your stories at a time. So yeah, this is just pretty much the archive of all your stories that you've recorded and where they're stored. I'm sorry, I don't have any stories recorded. I've just discovered this new section on FamilySearch and I haven't really sat down and recorded any stories, even though I definitely want to, and I probably should. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful and you learned about new section on FamilySearch and help give you ideas. I'm helping give you ideas on stories that you should record about yourself in case you don't have any ideas or have any stories you think future generations should know about. And I hope you guys take the time and opportunity to go to this section to record your own stories, because it is important for you to record your own history because A, you lived it, not other people. And future generations should know about you and should know what you experienced. And it is a whole lot easier to record your voice than it is to write that down in a journal. And then the cool and awesome part is it's automatically stored here on FamilySearch and it's not taking up room on your computer or your phone, or you don't have to worry about your journal getting burned in a fire or getting lost throughout history. It is already on the internet, safe and stored for future generations to see. But once again, but also a word of caution, this will be heard by future generations and other loved ones. So just keep that in mind when you're telling a story, that future generations are going to hear this. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys have any suggestions on anything else I should film, please also comment below. And I hope you guys all have a beautiful week. Bye.